Good morning, everyone. My name is Zachary Castillo. Here to advocate to you about renewable energy. I had never used to think much about where my power came from. For me, electricity was there, a switch on a wall, a plug, and an outlet. It was magic, and I never questioned the trick. My wake up call was when I came on a hike a few months ago. I'd walk on a couple hours out of the city to get this beautiful mountain trail, craving some fresh air. I remember reaching the summit, looking out over this incredible vision of the forest and lakes, and seeing it a hazy brown smear hanging over the city in the distance, but my own life literally clouding the very view I'd come to enjoy. I was part of the problem and I couldn't unsee it. That was the first crack. The term renewable energy all the time, but what does it really mean? Let's cut through the noise and define the shift we need in simple, clear terms. First, the problem fossil fuels. Think of coal, oil, and gas as the Earth's ancient stored energy. Burning them powers our world, but it has two fatal flaws. They're finite and will run out, and they release carbon dioxide, a greenhouse gas that acts like a blanket around our planet, trapping heat and causing climate change. The stronger storms, hotter heat waves, and rising seas we see today. So, what's the solution? Renewable energy. Renewable ener- Renewables are the planet's current energy income. It's not the ancient savings. They are the sources that replenish themselves daily and do not pollute. This includes solar power, capturing the sun's energy with panels, and wind power, using turbines to convert wind into electricity, and others like hydropower and geothermal. The case for renewable energy rests on three undeniable pillars: cost, security, and survival. First, it's now the cheapest energy. Solar and wind have won the price race. Investing in renewables means lower bills for family and businesses, and freedom from the volatile prices of fossil fuels. Second, it's about national and local security. Sunshine and winds are homegrown. They can't be imported or weaponized. This shift creates millions of jobs right here at home and makes our nation energy independent. But third, and most importantly, our deserve is about our survival. Climate change from burning fossil fuels is an existential threat. Renewables are our only path to a stable climate, clean air, and a livable planet for our children. The bottom line is this: renewables are cheaper, they make us safer, and they are essential for our survival. It's whether we can afford to wait any longer. The smartest, safest, and most moral choice is clear. Have a choice. We can be the last generation to struggle with the problem of the old, dirty energy system, the pollution, the price shocks, and instability. Or we can be the first generation to fully embrace the new, the first to power our lives with clean, limitless energy, the first to ensure our children inherit a world with cleaner air, a more stable climate, and a true energy independence. This isn't a sacrifice, it's an upgrade. It's a chance to build a smarter, safer, and more prosperous world. The future isn't something that happens to us, it's something we build. Let's choose to build one that we can be proud of. So let us trust in the government and institutes that takes in charge. Let's choose renewable energy.